Is Redis still your high-speed advantage or your next bottleneck? Latency spikes, connection errors, data at risk. Caching shouldn't crash, scaling shouldn't stall. Introducing Redis Consulting and 24/7 support by Ksolves, where you get cluster setup, replication and HA, latency tuning and performance boost, Redis cloud and hybrid deployments, RBAC encryption and secure access, backup, recovery, and disaster readiness under 1 hour emergency response, 99.95% uptime SLA, with expert support always on. So if Redis issues are slowing you down, Ksolves keep your cache clean, fast, and safe.